It's such a nice day. I'm happy we decided to meet.
Me too. It's been a long time. How have you been?
I've been very busy. Work has been crazy lately. I really needed a relaxing afternoon.
Then today is perfect. Good coffee, fresh air, and good company.
Exactly. Sometimes that's all we need.
Cheers!
Cheers.
The wind is getting stronger.
You're right. The sky looks very dark.
I checked the weather this morning. It said sunny all day.
Well, I don't think the weather agrees.
Maybe it's just a few clouds.
I hope so. I don't have a raincoat today.
I think it's starting.
Oh, you're right. I felt a raindrop.
Maybe it'll stop in a minute.
I don't think so. Look at those clouds.
Should we leave?
Yes, let's go before it gets worse.
Now it's raining.
Not just raining, it's pouring.
Quick, let's find somewhere dry.
Maybe there's a cafe nearby.
I remember seeing one near the lake. Let's go.
Wait, did you hear that?
Hear what?
Listen, I heard something.
I don't hear anything.
Wait, there it is again. A quiet whimper comes from the bushes.
I heard it. It sounds like a little dog.
Oh no, look at him, he's so small.
He's completely wet.
And he's shaking, poor little puppy.
He must be scared.
Don't worry, little one, we're not going to hurt you.
Anna, he ran away.
Wait, come back.
Be careful. The ground is very slippery.
Don't be afraid, we're trying to help you.
Anna, are you okay?
I think so. Wait, oh, my ankle hurts.
Can you stand up?
A little, but it really hurts.
Did you catch the puppy?
Yes, he's safe now.
Poor little guy. He's freezing.
Feel his paws, they're so cold.
We have to get him somewhere warm.
I agree, but I don't think I can walk very well.
Let's see your ankle.
It hurts when I stand.
Don't worry, we'll figure something out. Can you take a few steps?
I'll try.
How does it feel?
Not good. Every step hurts.
Then don't walk.
What do you mean?
Give me your coffee, hold the puppy tightly. I've got you.
Tom, you don't have to.
Of course I do. Friends help each other.
Thank you. Tom, I'm sorry.
Why are you sorry?
Because you're carrying both of us.
You're not heavy. And this little puppy doesn't weigh much either.
You're a really good friend.
That's what friends are for.
I hope we find a cafe soon. I'm freezing.
Don't worry, we'll be there soon. Just hold the puppy tight.
I will. He's still shaking.
Finally, at the umbrella, a strong wind blows. Oh no.
Tom, look out!
The wind is too strong. Crack!
Did it just break?
Yes, I think our 5-euro umbrella is finished.
Well, it tried its best.
I guess we're getting wet anyway.
Then let's keep going. Tom, look over there.
A café.
Do you think it's open?
I really hope so.
Please, just a little farther.
We're almost there. Don't give up.
Oh my goodness, come in quickly. You're soaking wet.
Thank you. The rain caught us in the park.
And who's this little friend?
We found him alone. He was hiding under some bushes.
Poor little puppy. He must be freezing.
He was shaking when we found him.
Please, sit by the fireplace. It's the warmest place in the cafe.
Thank you so much.
Here are some warm towels. One for you, one for your friend, and one for the puppy.
That's so kind. Thank you.
We really appreciate it.
Take your time. There's no rush.
He's already feeling warmer. Look, he's stopped shaking.
That's a good sign.
Here you are. 2 hot chocolates.
And a bowl of warm water for your little guest.
That's adorable, thank you.
I don't think he's ever had cafe service before.
Neither have I.
I think he likes it.
Look, he's drinking the water.
Poor little guy. He must have been thirsty.
This cafe is beautiful.
It feels so peaceful here.
Listen to the music.
And the fireplace, it's so warm.
A few minutes ago, we were standing in the rain.
Now we're sitting here with hot chocolate. Life changes quickly. Anna, wait a second.
What is it?
Look at his collar.
I didn't notice that before.
There's a small tag.
Really? What does it say?
It has a phone number.
That's wonderful. Maybe we can find his owner.
I'll call the number.
I hope someone answers. Phone ringing.
Hello?
Hello, is this your puppy? A short silence.
My puppy? Did you find him?
Yes, he's safe. He's with us in a cafe near the park.
Oh, thank goodness. I've been looking for him everywhere. I've been searching for almost 2 hours. Is he okay?
He's fine. He's warm now. Don't worry.
Thank you so much. I'm coming right now. Please don't leave.
We'll be here.
Buddy, there you are.
Look at him, he's so happy.
I think he missed you.
I was so worried. Thank you both. You saved my best friend. I don't know how to thank you.
We're just happy he's safe.
Anyone would have done the same.
Not everyone would stop in the rain. You did. I'll never forget your kindness. The rain is over.
And look outside.
A rainbow, it's beautiful.
Sometimes the worst weather brings the best moments.
We planned a quiet walk in the park.
Instead, we had an unforgettable adventure.
We got soaked.
The umbrella broke,
I hurt my ankle.
but we also saved a little puppy.
And we met wonderful people.
You're always welcome here. Next time, I hope you visit without the rain.
We definitely will.
And next time, we'll buy a better umbrella. Everyone laughs.
Today didn't go the way we planned.
Sometimes that's the best part of life.
A rainy day.
A broken umbrella.
A little puppy.
And a story we'll never forget.
Thank you for watching. We'll see you in our next story. Goodbye.